I am massively late to the party, but I've just picked up a pair of Apple Airpods. This video is going to be an unboxing video and first impressions. I'm going to bring you guys a proper review soon, so let's open it up and see what you get with it. So the package comes with this plastic wrap on, so I'm going to take that off to start with. So of course now it's open, we've got the box itself. It's a classic Apple box, it's very white, it's very minimalistic. So we've got a picture of the Airpods on the front, and then on the back a picture of the charging case, and then just Apple logos all the way around. So just lifting this off should allow us to get inside. So there we go, that's our instructions. I'll put that to the side, and then we've got the case itself. This is actually a lot smaller than I was expecting it to be, which is always a good thing. Obviously the lightning port on the bottom for charging, and then that's the case itself. And then if we lift this off, we've got a lightning cable on the bottom, and that's all that's inside. So let's get these set up and have a look at them. Okay, so there's my phone, and here are the Airpods. So to pair them, we just open it up and that little light flashes, and because I'm so close to my phone, it says I've got the option to connect, so I'm going to connect them. And then we've got battery percentage of the Airpods there and battery percentage of the case. I'm just going to hit done, and that's it. That is as easy as it is to pair them. So let's talk first impressions of these, because actually the case is a lot smaller than I was expecting it to be, because these sit so snugly inside it. And actually these are relatively small as well. Now lots of different people have done different things with wireless headphones. You kind of get some that just sit in your ears that go right in, and then you get a bit sticking out. These are obviously the kind of toothbrush look, but actually they look quite nice. So I'm just going to pop them in my ears so you can see how they stick out. And it makes a little noise when you've done that, so it pops in, and you can tap them to get them to play audio, and tap them to get Siri and all that kind of stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to review these over the next couple of weeks, and I'm going to bring you guys a proper review, and especially I'm going to talk about fitness and whether they can handle things like running and sweating and that kind of stuff, and we'll see how they fare. So I will pop this up as an unboxing video, and I will see you guys in a couple of weeks for the full review.